Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad in Toca Boca. First, navigate to any kitchen area within your game. Look for the refrigerator or pantry to find a variety of colorful fruits. You'll want to grab a few different types, like apples, bananas, and some juicy berries. Don't forget to also pick up a mixing bowl and a knife from the kitchen drawers. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to prepare them. Drag each fruit, one by one, onto the cutting board. Then, select the knife and tap on the fruit to slice it into smaller, bite-sized pieces. This step is crucial for a good fruit salad. Continue this for all the fruits you've gathered, ensuring they are all neatly chopped. With all your fruits chopped, it's time for the fun part, mixing. Drag each individual sliced fruit piece from the cutting board into the empty mixing bowl. Once all the pieces are in, use a spoon or even your character's finger to stir everything together. Watch as the different colors blend, creating a vibrant and appealing fruit salad. Your Toca Boca fruit salad is now complete. You can drag the bowl onto a table or transfer a portion onto a plate. Offer this delicious, healthy treat to any of your Toca Boca characters to see their reaction. Remember, you can always experiment with different fruit combinations to create new and exciting salads in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.